Welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about this Hindi language setting in our Infinix mobile. Guys, you want to set your Hindi language, so how can you set your phone Hindi language in your Infinix mobile? In this video I will show you and how can you use guys your Hindi language setting. In this video I will tell you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to set Hindi language, then guys scroll it. Guys, click on your phone system setting, friends, tap here. Guys, click on guys your languages setting. Friends, click on guys your language setting. So as you don't have guys your Hindi language, so as you can add guys, you want to add Hindi language, you can add it on Flix phone. Guys, click on this other language setting guys. First of all guys, we will add Hindi language. In which language guys you want to add guys, you can add from here. So as I told guys, Hindi language guys, we will tap here. You can see apply change guys. Direct guys, you want to set Hindi language, you can set from here guys. Apply change, then guys come back. Hence you can see guys your Hindi language will set, and guys you can use your Hindi language setting guys. Do you like Hindi? So as you can set your Hindi language, you can see Wi-Fi, Mera phone, like SIM card or mobile network, display or brightness. Guys you can see theme and lock screen setting, memory, app management. So like that guys, you can use your Hindi language setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.